everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to freeze frame on iMovie. If you want to freeze a frame in iMovie, then the process is quite easy. First of all, tap open the iMovie application on your mobile device and then go ahead and start up a new project. Select a video clip that you want to edit from your device's camera roll. After choosing a video clip, click on Create Movie at the bottom. Now you will be able to see the video clip onto your timeline. Go ahead and place the playhead on the area that you want to freeze and then simply tap on the video clip timeline. Now tap on the speedometer icon at the bottom and click on Freeze. You will then be able to see a frame freeze right next to your selected point. Now simply play the video and you will notice a frame freeze in your selected area. You can increase or decrease the duration of frame freeze by dragging the edges as shown on the screen. Finally, after you are done, you will be able to have a frozen frame in your iMovie timeline. You can also add transitions, effects or text to this frame as needed. That is how you add freeze frame on iMovie. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.